Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be diving into the fascinating world of hypotheses in research. A hypothesis is a crucial component of the scientific process, serving as a tentative solution to a problem or a statement that proposes a relationship between variables. Let's explore the concept of hypotheses and their types. A hypothesis is like a guiding light for researchers. It provides a clear direction and sets the stage for empirical testing. It is important to remember that a hypothesis is a tentative statement and may or may not be correct. However, it should always be supported by facts and logical conclusions. A good hypothesis possesses certain characteristics. Firstly, it should explain what is expected to happen in the research study. It should be clear, understandable, and testable. A hypothesis should also be measurable, meaning that it should contain variables that can be observed and quantified. The development of a hypothesis is often based on existing theories. Researchers use deductive reasoning to derive specific hypotheses from broader theories. Once formulated, hypotheses are empirically tested through systematic research methods to determine their validity. There are several types of hypotheses that researchers may encounter. Firstly, we have the simple hypothesis, which involves a relationship between two variables: the independent variable, which is the cause, and the dependent variable, which is the effect. Another type is the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis states that there is no relationship between the variables being studied. Researchers often formulate the null hypothesis with the intention of disproving or rejecting it. The null hypothesis is denoted as H0. The working hypothesis is a hypothesis that is accepted to put into practice and test during the research. It is also known as the alternative hypothesis or the experimental hypothesis. If the working hypothesis is proven wrong or rejected, another hypothesis is generated and tested to achieve the desired result. The working hypothesis is denoted as H or H1. It's important to note that if the null hypothesis is rejected, we accept the alternative hypothesis. This means that there is evidence to support the relationship proposed in the alternative hypothesis. And there you have it, the fascinating world of hypotheses in research. From simple hypotheses to null hypotheses and working hypotheses, each type serves a unique purpose in the scientific process. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.